What if I told you that right now, people with 0 degrees, zero experience, and less than $50 are out earning six-figure professionals, not because they got lucky, but because they learned 9 specific AI skills that most people still don't know exist? I'm going to show you exactly what those skills are, why they work, and how to start building income with them this week. Stay with me, because skill number 4 is the one most people overlook, and it's quietly becoming the highest paid freelance skill of 2025. Here's the truth nobody in your circle is saying out loud. AI didn't replace workers, it replaced workers who refused to learn AI. The people winning right now aren't geniuses, they're operators. They learned how to use AI as leverage, and then they sold that leverage. That's the whole game. Let's be real for a second. A mid-tier YouTube channel in the AI niche averages $8 to $22 RPM. That means 100,000 views can generate anywhere from $800 to $2,200 from a single video. Pair that with one AI-assisted freelance skill, and you have 2 income streams running simultaneously. Most people are chasing one. Smart operators build both. We're in a skill adoption gap. The market knows AI is valuable, but most people are still watching from the sideline, waiting for someone to tell them it's safe. That delay is your window. In 18 months, these skills will be commoditized. Right now, they're premium. The people who move in the next 90 days will look like visionaries 2 years from now. Here they are, no filler. 1. Prompt engineering, the ability to direct AI like a strategist, not a tourist. 2. AI video production. Tools like Runway and Kling let one person run a studio. 3. AI copywriting systems, not writing copy, building repeatable content engines. 4. Automated research, synthesizing information faster than any human team. 5. AI-powered offer creation, using Claude or GPT to build and position digital products. 6. AI voiceover and audio production. 11 labs change the game. Learn it. 7. AI data analysis, turning raw numbers into decisions without knowing code. 8. Workflow automation, connecting AI tools so your business runs while you sleep. 9. AI client acquisition, using AI to write outreach, qualify leads, and close deals. Here's what most people assume. This costs thousands. It doesn't. The entire toolkit for skills 1 through 9 runs between $30 and $80 per month. That's less than a gym membership most people don't use. The only real investment is time and attention. Each of these skills maps to a direct income path. Prompt engineering, sell prompts or consulting. AI video, faceless YouTube or client work. Copywriting systems, freelance retainers. Automation, productized services. The model is simple. Learn the skill, build one output, sell it, repeat. Most people say, I'm not technical enough. But here's what nobody tells you. The highest-earning AI operators are not developers, they're communicators. They know how to ask the right questions, interpret outputs, and package results. That's not a technical skill, that's a thinking skill, and you already have it. Don't try to learn all 9 at once. Pick one skill that aligns with something you already understand, even slightly. Go deep for 30 days. Build one case study. Document your process publicly. That documentation becomes content. That content builds authority. That authority attracts clients. Most people miss this. They learn in private and wonder why nobody pays them. Now that you know the 9 skills, the next question is, which one makes money the fastest? I break that down in full detail in the next video, including the exact timeline, the exact tools, and the exact offer structure I'd use starting from 0 today. Don't miss that one.